Welcome to the channel. Well, welcome back to the channel. You've been here before. Got a vacuum cleaner. Gonna take the cord and throw it in the back. Beautiful day, by the way. 70s. Very nice out here. It's a start. Trailer is clean but dirty, like always. Okay, now. Did it lock on me? No. I gotta get it at the jaws. At any rate, what we do here is we go around, find scrap metal, find cool stuff, find just things in general, and we harvest them, if you would, off the side of the road and try to make a few dollars doing it. Have a little fun, get a little exercise, enjoy the weather. But anyway, stay tuned. Let's see what we can find today. We got us another vacuum of sorts here. Oh, what's all those? Old books that got soaking wet. We'll take the vacuum, cut the cord, and continue with the fun. Y'all seen the last one. Y'all know how this works. There's sirens, there's dogs, there's everything right now, but we got this stuff. We got some clothes here too. Yeah. We want this. Looks like somebody was doing some work on it. Anything in there? No, it's an old one. See how blue that is? That's how I tell how old dryers are. Well, how used they are, I should say. Definitely a start. It's good enough for now. It's gonna slide around and do things, but it's fine. That's wet. It's a good stop. Now we just need about 6 more of them. Out of the truck, still beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. Maybe 1 or 2, who knows. That's a big one. Let's make it easier on us. Briggs and Stratton yard machine. Camel. Your new home awaits. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what's fighting it. There again, that's fine for now. As we get more, we'll start stacking it. Check. Got us a stop here. Pieces of a fence, yeah. Oh yeah, that's good weight. That's good weight. And look at that, it's like the perfect size too. They got it all separated. I think those are aluminum. I think I can get away with these little pieces. You just can't have like no big rolls of fence. And some aluminium. Alright, well. Seeing a piece of metal sticking up, you know, what's in the suitcase? Not always like a famous thing. Let's see if it's heavy. It's locked. It's got stuff in it, is what I'm gonna say. Take a gander. Hello, anybody home? Oh, it's another suitcase. Well, this suitcase has a suitcase that probably has another suitcase that is a suitcase. There. Figured it out for us. Pieces of tin. Oh, look at that. It removed itself. It's nice. I say you find everything on the side of the road. You know, just everything. And I actually think... No, it's a spare tire. Okay. It's not an actual trailer tire. I was about to say. Oh, it's a bad one too, yeah? It rides. Now we got our first fan of the day. Hello, fan. How are you, fan? Make sure they wasn't bringing out a washer or dryer over there with the dolly they pulling out. All right, well, kind of getting late in the day. See what else is out here though. See the battery charger. Oh, toilet seats. Yeah, we don't care about those. So a lead's broke. Melted off. Okay, okay. Ever start, Mike can fix it. I like these things. These things are nice to have around. Put some new leads on it. Should be fine. Seems like the problem. Well, that concludes the day. We found what, a dryer, lawnmower, and a few other little miscellaneous things. Can't win every day. I mean, the way I look at it is it's just, we got out here, had a bit of fun, got a little bit of exercise, enjoyed the weather, and I mean, you can look at it 100 different ways, but you know, that's how I look at it. So yeah, I'll get this stuff unloaded. It won't take long, and it's not going to be super hard. And yeah, I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll hit it again, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.